So, alright. So far, so good. Yesterday grinded so much money, guys. Today I couldn't wake up, right? Okay, so let's try to go, right, guys? Hope everyone's doing good, guys. Welcome, everyone. Hi, hi. Hello, guys. Just 1 minute, then we'll start, alright, guys, without wasting time. Okay? Gold and BTC as usual, right, guys? Okay? So, most probably, we'll try to see gold and BTC, right? Just again, right? Hi, hi, guys. Welcome. doing good, guys. कैसे हो guys? ठीक ही हो? बना रहे हो कुछ बना रहे हो guys? Hopefully you are able to make some dollars, right, guys? Okay. Hopefully, I hope it, guys. Let's try to see, guys. I'm back now. Bangladesh, hi bro, welcome brother, welcome. Abhi, okay, let's go, guys. All right. So most probably, we'll try to see. Yesterday, this was the setup that I have provided with my VIP people, right? Okay. So we have been waiting for the market to come above. I'm still holding on a precise, right? Okay. So my targets are very high. All right, for a long term. Okay. So a little bit, it's disturbing. All right. Okay. So, guys, for today, right? Let's try to see pending orders first, right, guys? Before anything else, let's try to see the pending orders, right? 63,764 remains the pending orders, right? The pending orders that we have on $64,213 is cleared, right, guys? Okay, so it's been cleared, and market is aggressively moving on upper side for now. New York sessions, you might like to see small drop on a downside, I guess, right? Possible, right, guys? Possible. Okay, so that's aggressively, that is not impossible, guys. All right. Hi Bangladesh, say something about news kuch pata nahi hai yaar. I don't know anything about news, so sorry, guys. All right, only technical. Dragon is only technical, guys. All right. Bangladesh, I'm so sorry, no news about the nothing about the news. I'm not going anything for the fundamentals, just for my technicals only. All right. Okay, sometimes it affects for the technical traders, right? Okay, well, there is a news soon. The market for the long term, I'll try to give you other videos, right, for that one, but most probably the long term will be $64,850 on upper side for me, right? Okay, so market try to give you the breakouts on upper side one more time, right, trying to come above, right? Okay, but I need a one confirmations, one small retest to be done before it moves all the way on upper side, guys. All right, one move is required. All right, one more time on the downside. Oh, it's moving. Is it really targeting on the upper side, guys? Let's wait, guys. Wait, wait. Have patience. We'll try to wait, guys. Wait. Have patience. Don't try to react too fast. Upper side target can be 1% on upper side, guys. All right, it's really crazy on upper side, but before that one, I think it should give you the some pullback on a downside, right, before it moves all the way in upper side, right, guys? Okay. Should be able to give you some pullbacks, then only we will be able to plan it on upper side. Okay, 1 2 3 4, right. It's going crazy right now on upper side, guys. A little bit late today, right? Because of that, we couldn't catch up, right? Otherwise, we would have caught that one move, right, guys? Okay. Most probably, Bitcoin will try to move till $64,848, guys. All right. That can be a good target for Bitcoin. Okay. That can be good setting target for the Bitcoins. But if I try to directly long over here, it won't be. My positions have been already. Do you want to take risks from here, guys? Let's try to take small risks from here, guys. All right, just 1 minute. Breaking out on upper side. Okay, so we'll not try to take much risks, only small risks. All right, let's try to target this level 0.76 percentage, but our entry should be, let's wait guys, just a second. Our entry should be, just wait guys, have patience, just wait for a few minutes guys. I'm trying to look for you all. If it directly breaks above, we are going to go for the longs with the stop loss below those levels, right? Okay, so while coming down, do nothing, right? Okay, well, if it happens to break above, we are going to trace one longs on upper side. All right guys, so this is going to be our move on upper side, right? There are lots of pending orders on a downside guys. This is the levels whereby the market can come down. Wait for the longs above these levels, right guys? Okay, for the shorts, let's try to identify for the shorts as well. Shorts, we have one pending orders in this levels guys, all right, already. So we have pending orders from here, one pending order standing over here guys. So in case if it happens to break below these levels, right guys, we are going to get for the downside move one more time. That is around maybe this zone guys. Even if it is not that much, right, at least we need to trace around $63,914 on a downside for the short moves. For the short moves for now, for temporary, generally, let's try to wait below these levels, right? Okay, let's just wait, okay guys. All right, I'm trying to identify the positions for you all, right? Okay, shots firstly below these levels, one level is there for the shots. Okay, just wait, try to wait for a few minutes, right? Okay, hi my grady gamers, where are you from? I'm from Bhutan. Vedant, hey Vedant, you never leave me for the Ethereum, huh? you never leave me for the Ethereum. If Ethereum, you never leave it, right? Vedant. Just a second. All right, I'm checking out. Excuse me, where are you from? I'm from Bhutan, brother. Red chats, all right. Red chats too, all right. Yeah, okay. So for now, so this is the level whereby we can short it. Okay, so I'm just trying to identify the small moves for you all, right, for now. All right, okay, above, if it breaks, we'll try to get the swing on upper side, how much it can throw it. We'll try to trace for the 0.76 percentage on upper side. All right, okay, with a small stop loss. All right, we'll try to check on upper side, right, with a maybe 1 TP over here, right guys. All right, $64,458. all right, okay, 1 TP over 64,000 zones, right? And most probably second TPs are going to be in this levels, right guys? And third TPs, well, let's try to trace around this much. All right, okay, above move, right? So let's try to see whether it breaks out or not. If it doesn't breaks out, that is advantage for us to trace for the shorts. So just wait, okay, don't open directly. All right, just wait for my confirmations. It doesn't mean that don't take it as a financial advice, huh? Don't take it as a financial advice. Dragon is not giving you any financial advice right now. The market have already moved up, right? Okay, just wait. All right, one more time, wait. Okay, let's try to trace a small move on upper side. If it keeps it right, there is a level whereby the Bitcoin have left a pending orders, right, on a downside as well. Okay, so below these levels, it is going to be the shorts, right? Okay, all right, just wait for a few seconds, right? Let it close above, or at least 1 minute time frame, let it close up, right? Okay, so it have not been able to close on upper side yet. All right, okay, if it doesn't breaks out, then we will try to wait for the, just wait for few seconds, 1 minute, right? Try to let it close up, then that vibe will try to take an upper side. All right, hi Sachin, welcome brother, welcome, hope you guys are doing good. All right, okay, so go with mama, go. Gold also, let's try to see, right guys? Okay, gold in a better positions, I guess, right? Gold also got a few pending orders on a downside as well as upper side. Gold, let's try to trace for the gold as well, right guys? Gold got a pending orders over here. Gold might be approaching this levels first, I guess, right? Okay, just wait a few seconds. All right, let me try to trace you some moves. Gold got a pending orders over there. Gold got a pending orders in this levels. All right, so gold have a two pending orders. One is $4,416. One is on a downside. Right now it have tried to give you the liquidations on a downside for this W patterns, right? Okay, wait guys, wait few seconds, right? We'll try to trace it. Gold, it seems like it should be moving till this levels on a downside from here till this levels, but gold is really going volatile. I don't know whether it is going to give you all not. All right guys, just a second. Wait guys, wait. I'm trying to identify a few levels. A little bit late today guys, so sorry, right? I was having some work, right? Because of that one I couldn't come on time, right? Wait should be able to push you to this levels. All right, maybe we'll try to go for one small move on a downside with 1:2. All right guys, for the gold. For BTC, just wait. All right, don't operate yet. Gold also got, BTC also got one pending orders on a downside over here, but market is on the upper side right now. All right guys, gold got a pending orders. Most probably it should be at least able to try. So let's try to take one risk for the BTC as well, since it is not able to move directly on upper side. With a small stop loss, we'll try to trace only these levels. All right guys, okay, let's try to trace this one. Okay, very small move. All right, very small move, guys. All right, okay. If it breaks below this levels, then we are going to trace $63,922. All right, gold going good, right? Okay, so maybe you need to have two TPs over here, right? Or you can give it only one small move is there scalping for the golds. BTC, all right, let's try to trace small move on a downside for the BTC as well, but above this levels don't hold on guys. All right, that's going to be long positions above this levels, so we'll try to take small risks for now, since there is a pending order standing on a downside guys. All right, there is a small pending orders. Hi, welcome guys, welcome everyone. All right, welcome to the team. Right guys, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions every time 11 UTC onwards. Today a little bit late. All right, a little bit late, it became a little bit late. All right brother. All right, we're done. Ethereum, okay. All right, okay, Ethereum lover, this kid, so much. Vedan, all right, Vedan, lots of orders have been filled for the Ethereum. Yesterday you tried this one, Vedan. Yesterday I gave you, all right, this is the one that I gave you all, I guess, Vedan, for yesterday's move from the top, right? Ethereum is giving really nice move, right, on upper side, but you should know that Ethereum also got one pending orders on a downside before it moves all the way on upper side. There is one pending order. All right, Vedan, there is one pending orders in this level, $1,891 for the downside move. So you have to check it out, right, Vedan? If it happens to break below this levels, we might like to trace this one. So for Ethereum, just wait few minutes, right? There is 5 minutes pending orders in this levels, 1000 node 7. But going on upper side, it has a good chances of giving you one move on upper side. All right, from here, okay, while going on upper side you are going to do nothing. All right, okay. If it happens to come below this levels, that can be good short positions for you all, right? So first TP will be this one, Vedan, for the Ethereum. All right, okay. So maybe first TP is going to be this one. One pending order is remaining on a downside, guys, for the Ethereum as well. 0.3% move. We can take this one in case if it happens to return it, right? Before that, it might like to do a few things from the top, right? So few things like what? For the Ethereum as well, right? They got a one pending orders, immediate pending orders. Ethereum got a lots of pending orders, guys. Upper side, I cannot do anything. It broke out, right? I cannot do anything for Ethereum right now. If it comes back, returns back, you can take it from this levels towards. First TP is going to be this one, second, then third, this one. All right, we're done. Okay, so this can be one movable upper side. I don't have any idea, and until and unless I take it one scalp, breakout scalp on upper side, changing a trend, right? Okay, we're done. If I take one changing trend, that is one possibilities. Otherwise, I don't see much possibilities, right? Over here, watch, if you want to take risks, right, from the top, something like this when it comes down, right? Okay, upper side, I cannot do anything. It is giving you the breakouts and giving you the swing, a big move on upper side. I think gold, guys, got a stop loss out. How come? We had to 0.05 news, right? News, guys, news. Because of news, gold had to bear losses. All right, BTC also, I think it have pushed you on upper side, guys. Ethereum wait for the short only. I that is one levels where, but BTC also, I think it have given us the the stop loss, guys. Stop loss given, guys, we have to accept it. 0.19%. Nothing much to say over there. All right, so above these levels, right? Okay, let's try to go for the shots, guys. All right, shots activated, but we are catching the wing, right, which is not good at all actually. Let's try to catch from here towards the downside with the stop loss below this levels. When it goes this levels, right, we'll try to go for one more shots on the downside, right, with the stop losses is going to should be above this levels. For the Ethereum also, wait for the same levels, okay. So most probably on upper side, I don't know, right? Downside, we can, let's try to take one risk, right? A little bit bigger now since it is swing, right? Okay, so we will have a stop loss above this levels, right? Okay, we'll try to trace this levels with the multiple TPs, right, guys? Okay, multiple TPs, you need to have it, right? If it gives pullback, that's well and good, right? So multiple TPs, you need to have it since there is a news, I guess, right? For the gold as well, yes, this is what I mean, guys. We had a pending orders on a downside. We missed this one big move, right? Guys, I can't imagine, right? It's okay. BTC, let's try. As soon as it reaches below this levels, we can move our stop loss to the entry. The market is really volatile for now, guys. In fact, okay, the market is really volatile. Let's try to trace for the one downside move only, right? One pending orders, we are trying to trace pending orders. Upper side, I have no idea, right? For the gold as well, let's try to trace one. The pending orders is being filled, guys. Gold as well. Pending orders filled on gold. We couldn't, because of the first move on upper side, we couldn't get, right, guys? BTC as well. Ethereum, let's try to see. Yes, Vedan, so sorry, right? Because of the news, I think the market is really volatile for now, right? Okay, yeah, it's coming to the levels right now. You see, guys, it's coming. It's trying to fill up. This is our pending orders. This was first pending orders. It is respecting it, but it's not giving you the chance to get inside it. All right, it is respecting it, right? Okay. We at least wait for here, right? It's expecting, but it's not giving you the chance to make some dollars over there. News are always like that. Make sure you keep your stop loss tight, guys. All right, above these levels, don't hold it for the Ethereum as well, right? Okay, that's going to be a long positions one more time, since it have filled the gap. We have a gap for the Bitcoin also on a downside as well, but first gap is being filled by the Bitcoin for now. All right, okay, so it's still at the entries right now. Let's try to trace. Market is really volatile because of the news. Just try to be careful. It's really dangerous for the technical traders too. The only thing that we can do is respect trade with a stop loss during the news time. All right, we'll wait for the same positions again if it happens to breach it, right? For Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. All right, what to do, guys? Market is going through the news. Because of that one, I think you are going to get frequent stop loss out. Gold. Let's try to wait. Gold also pending orders is being filled, so it's boring. Only I can do it is this one. In case if it comes down, I can take shots. I can't trade right now, guys. I'm so sorry. This news things, if it comes below, I can take one shots, right? The pending orders that I got it out already, but I don't know whether it is going to come down or not. Is that a retest? BTC got a pending orders on the downside. Next time, those who are waiting for the longs, for now your long position stands only above these levels, guys. All right, breaking above these levels. Okay, breaking above these levels means you can target for market to go up to $64,893 above these levels if it breaks. Downside, we are aiming for the downside move only for now. It is not much clear, guys. All right, you need to know that one. It's not very clear. Again, second entry for you all, those who have missed the first entry, right? For the BTC, target is this one. Okay, we are targeting this one. All right, longs only above these levels, right? Gold also we can target on a downside since it have not fulfilled well, right? So maximum levels of target, it have given you the targets. All the pending orders have been filled by because of the small quick moves, guys, for the gold as well. Because of the quick move, all the pending orders are being filled. You take the reference of these levels now, right? Because of the news, it is really volatile, guys. All right, it is really volatile aggressively, guys. New York session starts in another 1 hour, right? Gold, if it comes below these levels, we can take one move, right, guys? Gold, if it comes below these levels, we can get one move, right, towards the downside. All right. Gold stop loss looks very high, 0.2 versus 0.8. After getting over here, then only we can plan. All right, otherwise don't plan it. Gold can be aggressively volatile, right? We have a pending orders on the downside. For the longs, we'll try to trace above these levels only. Excuse me. Gold, all the pending orders are filled. Gold not giving you move yet. Upper side, no idea. Downside, if it comes below this levels, I can take one shots from here till this levels. It might make a small sideways in this levels, guys. All right. Do you want to take risks, guys? All right, let's try to take risks for the gold as well. Very risky right now. Your position stands below this levels, but you are trying from the upper side. All right, okay, with a very small stop loss for now. Because of the news, market is not really giving you the directions. All right, you have to know that one. It's really risky to trade during the news time. That is the fact. If it moves above these levels, we can plan for the longs, right? BTC, right, guys? Hopefully it doesn't make any sideways, right? Gold upper side move. Let's see, guys. Gold has a chance of coming to this level, $4,323. But our entry is little bit invalid, I guess, for the gold. Really volatile. All right. 1 TB is being filled. Taking small risks, big targets. All right, for the gold. BTC going good. All right. Book 1 TP over here. Those who have taken a second entry, right? Second entry, book some profits, right? And let's try to see which side we have the liquidations. Liquidations not standing below. Market really volatile. What to do, guys? Above this levels, let's not hold it, right? We'll wait for the same positions next time if it breaches us gold because of its volatility. I'm not taking risks on upper side since market have given you a small move on upper side already. Because of that one, BTC I can take risks if it breaks below this level, still this levels. All right. Gold. Really risky gold. Let's try to wait, right? Let's see. Okay, not very confident trades for the gold. All right, BTC if it breaks down, I think at least I can expect this levels, though if it doesn't, even if it does the retest as well. All right, okay, maybe I can at least expect for this market to come to this levels, right? Okay. But for the gold is the problem right now. It is really volatile and we have taken a risk. Two stop loss gone already. All right, guys, as soon as we came, two stop loss gone because of the big move, right? Up and down. Two stop loss, we have to take it. Let's wait. Gold again, stop loss 100, guys. No chance. Gold is really volatile, guys. Might be aiming higher and highs. It's really moving on upper side. Gold, let's take a rest for the gold. Can't. If it comes next time, we can take it from here to downside one more move. A 2% move, right? Otherwise, upper side, don't focus it, guys. All right. For the gold. Gold is really volatile. Keep taking out. It kept taking out our stop loss. Gold, 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 gold. Gold, if it comes to these levels, we can take one. It is little bit more volatile, guys. Otherwise, don't take any. If it comes, we can take it. While passing down and while moving on upper side, we can take one long position. So if it goes below this levels, we will trace the BTC long from here. All right, okay, on upper side. Okay, once it happens to clear on the downside, right? Okay, so when it comes back above this levels, we can long it and try to target this levels on upper side, 1.4%. Okay, when it comes back, right? While going down, we do nothing for the BTC. Small move, right? BTC is going good. All right, gold coming to the locations. Do you want to take risks one more time? I don't know. Gold is really volatile. It keeps hitting your stop loss, guys. All right, okay, gold is really volatile. It should be coming to down one more time, then only it should be going on upper side, but pending order is already there, which means that market needs to come down, but it keeps reaching you again and again. This is what I've seen, right? Kachunche kati juni church chebo ina okay yeah dela me na jun lapte okay yeah so above these levels we are going to plan longs. Okay, guys, next time planning above these levels. So while going down, we are going to do nothing. Okay, let it flow. Now book some profits and move your stop loss to the entry for the second entry as well as the first entry, right, guys? And targets should be this one. Gold coming to the zone. We'll try to take multiple TPs for that one as well, right? Maybe we'll try to trace small TPs over here. 2, 3 in this zone and 4 and down. Gold problem is it have finished is one level quickly without giving us, right, guys? It have finished fast. All right, we'll plan long once it happens to come up above this levels. Okay, if it goes up directly also we can plan it, but I think above this levels only, right guys? Okay, for the BTC, if it goes directly above this levels only, we can plan long. What I mean to say is, without clearing this one, if it happens to move directly, we can directly plan longs above this levels. But if it clears down, all right, we'll wait for the market to break above these levels, then only we'll try to take it. Good map. Top down. Cho. Book some profit, move your stop loss to the entry. Okay, gold is still playing around for you all. Let's see guys whether gold gives you or not. Gold soon it should fulfill this one, I guess, 2% of move, but let's see how far it can give you all. All right, brother, what are the time frame we need to check? Important time. For if you are scalping, 5 minutes and 1 minute, right? And if you are day trading, 1 hours maybe and 15 minutes, right? And if you are swing trading it, maybe about 4 hours, right? Okay, so it depends on what type of trader you are. So we have been checking a small time frame because like our trades are so small and fast booking, right? Fast closing. We don't have to hold for our quick stop loss or quick TPs, right? Okay, so within 1 or 2 maybe maximum 5-10 minutes sometimes, right? Okay, we are going to hit our TPs, right? So we are not very holding longs, right? Okay, so it depends which type of trades you are taking in. If you are scalping, right, maybe small time frame, 1 minute, right? All right, so it depends guys. Which time frame trades. Because of the news, our stop loss was firstly 2 stop loss was out guys, so we have to respect that one. I'm sorry for that one guys, because like I totally focus on technical tradings only. I don't focus much on the fundamental. That is the weakness of the technical traders. All right, but only thing that can protect me is my stop loss. All right, okay, for now book some profit already, move your stop loss to the entry. If it moves directly up, this can be a long entry and can push you on upper side. If it goes down, we'll next time for the longs, we'll wait above these levels to go for the longs, right? Okay guys, gold is really playing around with you all guys. We are tracing a double top for now. At least we can trace up to this levels, right guys? Okay, so far so good. First entry, second entry, BTC. First SL was hit, gold 2 times heated our stop loss already. For the scalping, small, because gold is really volatile, not moving up as well, but it's really volatile. Gako la Ramgar. Okay. La kailani. La la. Ya busy duko. Okay, jumping out for the longs. Only first TP given, stop loss at entry. Gold. Let's wait. Let's wait. Brother, what time frame? Alright. What's your strategy, brother? What are your points that you check when you trade? Number one thing, I check trend. Okay. Number two, I check a pending orders. Number three, I check whether market gives you the breakouts or not. Okay. Trend is the one thing that I look into most of the time. All right. Gold, a little bit more volatile. All right. दाइ तपाईको स्ट्रेट भन्नु न के कुराहरू हुन्छ ट्रेड लिनु भन्दा अगाडि ब्रेकआउट ब्रदर ब्रेकआउट हेर्नुपर्छ यार ब्रेकआउट हेर्नु पर्यो एउटा ब्रेकआउटमा दो चीज हुन्छ एउटा ब्रेकआउट भयो भने लङ पोजिसन्स पाउँछ ब्रेकआउट भएन भने सर्ट पोजिसन्स पाउँछ सो इफ यु चेक ब्रेकआउट्स राइट so you are going to get two positions that is if it breaks out you are going to get long if it doesn't breaks out then it's not very easy guys. All right, those who are beginner trader, right? Okay, so it's not that easy to trade guys, all right, and make dollars in the trading, right? Okay, you should have extra things. So setup is only not the thing guys. I have been telling you all, setup is not only the thing that you look into trading, right? When you are trading, right, setup is not only the thing, right? Setups you'll get it, but how you are controlling your setups, right? Okay, how you are controlling your trades, right? That's more than important, right? Okay, I guess most of the time, right, that's more important. And for the beginners, I guess you need to check it out for the most of the time a trend, right, where the market is moving, either moving on upper side or not, right? Okay, so that's must, I guess. Market trend is very important. New York session is about to start, right? During the news sessions, guys always have a very tight stop loss, all right? Okay, so you need to have stop loss. Don't forget your stop loss, all right? If you don't have stop losses, then sometimes market comes back easily, but sometimes market goes and it doesn't come easily to your positions, right? Because of that one, right, you are going to get a huge regret, guys. All right. Do you check liquidity? Yeah, redrawing, I check liquidity as well. I check liquidity as well, right? After liquidity, the moves are always nice, right? Okay, I'll check on the liquidity as well. I check on it, bro. liquidity. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, okay, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, right guys? Every day on 11 UTC. Today we missed a little bit, right, because like I was having some work, so I could come on late during the 12 UTC, right? Around the 12 UTC. Liquidity, we have to check it, guys. Slowly it have to respect this move. We have a pending orders over here, so we are going to fill up that one. All right, okay, soon. For the gold, it is not really reacting well, guys. All right, it's not reacting well, but we have been doing mistakes in the gold as well. Few mistakes we have it. Stop loss at entry, rest, just let it flow, right? Then no risks. If you have not booked one profits over here, then you will be in big emotions, right, already. Okay, holding, because you will feel that anytime the price is going to go back to your entry and hit your stop loss as well, right? Because of that one, you are going to get a huge fear, and emotions are going to run over you if you book some profits, right, while market is moving on a upside, right? Okay, so you won't be having much fear, right? You won't have any fear to books get out when the stop loss hit at your entries. So always first thing is to, as soon as you get some profits, you need to minimize your risks, right? Okay, if it gives, if it doesn't give, just respect that one. All right, one small pending orders filled for the BTC. Now it's trying to move up, right? Shit would take long, but one pending order is staying on the downside. Till over here it is filled. Gold is really irritating, guys. Gold lovers, I'm so sorry for you all. Gold will try to focus it. Still good, we can go for the same entry for the downside move. Gold is really volatile. लिक्विडिटी चेक करना पड़ता है guys. Gold we can say take same entries, guys. Okay, those who have no positions, right? I think it have nearly taken out, right, with some points only. Same stop loss, same TPs, right, for the gold. Now you can bring back your stop loss in the zone, guys. Those who are holding from here, shots, right, above these levels, don't try to hold it. Maybe small highs above that levels, above these levels, below the entries, right, stop loss. Playing around a bit. For BTC, right, for the gold, still playing around. We can wait for the same entries if it comes. BTC is going good. Gold is really rubbish, guys. Gold will be very rubbish. What to do, guys? Gold, wait for the same positions to go for the shots. Okay, longs I'm not planning yet. All right, if it gives, well and good. Otherwise, firstly we need to come down, I guess. One TPs, one pending orders heated, but we have a bigger pending orders from the downside. All right, for that one we'll try to aim for the downside move only. Gold. All right, okay, your stop loss above these levels, same levels we can operate the shots, right? Okay, below those levels, and we'll try to aim for the down. If it is not giving you after third trial also, we'll try to quit for the gold today. Playing around a bit more. Gold stays still staying in the same place. Nepal, Redroni liquidity. We have to check it on liquidity as well. That's very good. Okay, so some people they just check that liquidity and they trade liquidity only. All right, some people are there, just they identify the liquidity and they just trade the liquidity, because the liquidity becomes always fast. All right, liquidity are very fast, and the moves that you get is very fast, right? Okay. For the liquidities. Gold, wait for the same positions. Okay, over here, $4,421 sale zone. Upper side I'm doing nothing. All right, even if it goes, let it go. अपर साइड प्लान करेंगे, थोड़ा वेट करने के बाद. You need to book some profit, huh? Stop loss at entry. If you have entered from here, your stop loss should be in the zone, $64,145. In case if it happens to make your W patterns, it doesn't mean that market is not coming down. It will try to go few moves on upper side and give you something like this. All right, okay. If it makes W patterns for over here, so we will having, in case if it happens to run off above these levels, immediately you will know that market is trying to make a W patterns. That time we just get out, right? Or if you want to close, you can keep closing it. Next time when it returns, we'll again plan for the shots. If you are not, if you are holding from the top, I think it's okay. W patterns, don't make it, please. Gold still stuck. Don't make sideways, guys. Don't make sideways, BT. Making W pattern, guys. which is not good. I hate this W patterns. Gold not coming to the entry yet. Let's go, BD. Hi, Sami Open. Hi, Dilip Ma. Hi, bro. Welcome, brother. Welcome, brothers. Welcome. Gold coming. Entry, okay, same points. Stop loss, same points. All right, those who are waiting for the gold, because it is repeatedly trying to breach you all. मेरा मन coming to entry $4,421. okay, your entries. Trying to make W patterns, guys. This levels of BTC gave you only the move till over here. Let's wait, guys. Still stuck over here, gold. जी लब जिया going good. Gold entry point over here, okay. Next entry. Don't make W patterns. BTC, please. No W patterns. That is lot loss. Okay, nice. Okay, gold coming to the entries. Entry, stop loss, same zona for the gold. No W patterns, nice. Nice. Over here, book some profits again, and this levels will be the final target that we'll be aiming for. Nice. Keep extending it. Keep trailing your stop loss. Right now your stop loss maybe around $64,119. Gold coming to the entries. We'll try to trace it, don't worry. Alright, those who have made losses as well. Nice. Maybe $64,119 your stop loss. Now shift it down and let it flow. Gold coming to the entry. Alright, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Stop loss above these levels. Coming to the entry, guys. This is your entry. Okay, for the gold. Hi Bhutani bro, hi bro, कैसे हो? हम ठीक हूँ. विजिट पाकिस्तान, आप कैसे हो? How are you doing? Gold same position सा. आप कैसे हो? आपका हालत? तो ठीक हूँ. बोलो ना. Gold came to the entry. Okay, one more time above this levels. Stop loss. All right. BTC gave a small touch up and pass up this levels, right? दिल 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 दीवाना, दिल दीवाना हो गया रे. बोलो ना. समझा काम. New York session's about to start, guys. New York session's about to get started. Keep trailing your stop loss and keep holding on the downside, I guess. New York sessions will start soon. New York session, first 10 minutes you are going to do nothing. All right, after 10 minutes only we'll try to plan it. All right. Hi, Ethereum पर on trading 91 पर दिया किया था, 91 पर दिया को शॉर्ट किया था. हाँ, ओके ओके. इथेरियम का हालत तो इथेरियम तो फुल हमारा फुल टीपी सीट करने वाला है. ये तो इधर से हम लोग शॉर्ट 1916 ये रहेगा इसका एक पेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स फिलअप. दूसरा आएगा तो नीचे आएगा तो मे बी यहाँ तक भी आ सकता है इथेरियम को इसका ऊपर होल्ड मार्क कर देना यार, ये इसका ऊपर लॉन्ग जोन बन जाएगा. स्टॉप लॉस अराउंड 1914, right? Okay, above this levels don't hold it, right? Wait, still holding. दिल 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 दीवाना, दिल दीवाना हो गया रे, बोलो ना अब क्या करें, समझा कर प्यार में पागल. Let's see guys, let's wait, have patience, let's wait. All right, let's try to wait. थ्री मूव चल रहा है. Because of this one, first our stop loss was taken out, but it is recovered now, so nothing much to worry. All right, BTC, we're planning short from here. Okay, we plan short from here towards the downside because of news, boom, and then only it came down, and we could trace from the downside only. So far so good guys. All right, nothing much financial advice guys, you should know that one. Dragon never gives you a financial advice. This is, he's just showing you whatever he knows, right? Okay. All right, so just make your own research before you move in, right guys? You always make your own research before you move in. For now long stands very high, right? Okay, above these levels only we can plan longs. In case if the market happens to go below these levels, we can wait for these levels to go for the longs, right, next time. All right, okay, but it needs to go down and complete the move and come back. Maybe that can be up to these levels as well, right? Okay, wherever it is. Let's try to wait, have patience. Have patience. Patience is the only thing. So-called professional trader, they spend their 4 to 5 years just to learn the thing called patience, guys. Okay, you should know that one. All right. This is scalping sessions, okay guys, don't get confused with your long holdings and all those things, right? Okay, this is just a scalping sessions, all right? Okay, gold still at the entries, right? Okay, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, right? So maybe we'll try to first trace this one, move our stop loss to the entry. If it gives, we'll try to trace full for the golds, right? Let's go, BD. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. छोटा मोटा BT, छोटा मोटा प्यार कर, ओले ओले हो जाएगा प्यार, ओले ओले हो जाएगा प्यार, ओले 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 हो जाएगा प्यार, ओले ओले हो जाएगा प्यार, ओले ओले. Nice, gold also going nice now. Okay, let's go gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gold should get a copy from BTC, right, guys? All right. Gold, we have done 2 stop loss already, so we'll try to recover one go in a go, right, guys? New York sessions not started, right? Let's wait. Gold stuck. Let's go. Let's go, BD. Let's go. Chalo ki na bhai. Let's go, BD. Let's go. Let's go. Give us boom. Give us boom. Give us boom, boom. Let us boom, 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 boom. BT boom चाहिए, boom, boom. Yes, nice. Final TPs over here. Nice. $63,854. Ethereum, what happened, guys? Those who are Ethereum traders. Ethereum also about to fill up full. All right. Ethereum also about to fill up full, right, guys? New York sessions, just try to be careful, alright? New York sessions about to start. First stop loss was heated, right, for BTC. Second, we recovered everything, alright? So nothing much to worry, guys. All went good. New York session started, guys. New York session start कर दिया है, guys. अभी New York session is going to be rubbish. Huh? It plays out very rubbish. New York session started, guys. Okay. Give it boom. Boom, चाहिए boom, boom, boom. Final TPs over here. After that, if market comes, we'll open long from here and try to push an upper side. All right. Nice. Gold also going nice. Nice. For longs, wait above these levels, okay? Downside, don't try to plan longs, all right? This New York session is going to be a little bit boring, right? You should know that one. After this move is finished, then we can plan it one long. Not yet. New York sessions is giving you a nice move on upper side. Good day, Hanabi. All right, how far down will it go? I think $63,854. $63,700, maybe 700. That range I'm looking at it right now. Giving a small breakouts on upper side. Not confirmed yet. After finishing this move, right, if it comes up, we'll operate long positions from here and try to move on a pre-side. Okay, after this move my direction is finished, right? Okay, so if it happens to come back, return it back from down and comes above, breaks above these levels, we'll try to go for the longs, right guys? Okay, gold going good, no drama for now. Gold, nice, full TP hits over here. Okay, nice. Hi Saugat, welcome bro. कैसे हो भाईजान, कैसे हो भाई लोग? Waiting, still waiting. ऊपर तो जा रहा है, but this is not finished. New York Sessions, 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 New York Sessions. Getting back to the entry, should we take risks from here? But one thing, it have not completed the move on a downside. It can be risky as well. All right, let it go out at least above these levels, okay, for the longs. Then we'll try to go for the long. Okay, let's try to wait a bit. If it gets out from these levels, right, then only we'll try to go, because this can be a good fake out zones. All right, the small incomplete formation is left on a downside. This can be a little bit risky for now, right? Okay guys, this long position still remains a risky for you all. Let it come out first, then only we'll try to operate long. Okay, otherwise let's try to wait a bit. Tikcha Daju, how are you? I'm good, I'm good, Saugat, I'm good, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Wait. If it finishes this move, that will be so confident for me to go long above these levels, guys. It's seriously. Alright. There is a small move on a downside whereby the BTC needs to complete that one. Move is yet not over. Move is not over. There is small move to be done. How does gold look? Gold still stuck, guys. Today, SB gold is got stuck over here. What to do? All right, gold got stuck over here for you all. Gold got stuck. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. Right. Okay. SB caught. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. But as soon as you hit your TP1, move your stop loss to the entry and rest, just let it flow, right? Okay, that's going to be nice. BTC is playing a lot in New York sessions right now. Stop loss above these levels right now, right? For the gold as well. Making so thick. Looks like it take a liquidity. Gold, there is one pending orders in $4,324. I don't know whether it is going to do that one or not. One pending order is lying around $4,378. One pending order was filled because of this move during the news sessions. Right now the recent pending order is filled already. Okay, so those who are looking for the longs, right, above these levels, right? Okay, if it happens to move above these levels, you can plan for the longs, right, for the gold. Below these levels, don't plan your longs, right? Okay. Maybe you can minimize a little bit your risks, right, guys? Okay, since you are getting it right. All right. Okay, so almost done, right, guys? BTC almost done. For the longs, once it happens to return from the bottom, right, above these levels, right, we are going to take longs, right? Okay, now almost done, right, guys? If it happens to return it back, right, let's try to wait for this move, right, above these levels, especially above these levels, right? Okay, so we can take one longs, right, above these levels, right? And right now still some pending orders are there. It is not finished fully, but we'll try to take risks if it happens to come. Okay, above these levels, right, guys? We'll try to take risks. Still some pending orders are left on the downside for the PT as well. That was 63,767 dollars, the pending orders that you have. It's not fully recovered, but we'll try to take risks, guys. Okay, with a small stop loss. If it breaches, right, no problem. Above these levels only, okay? Above $64,033. If it doesn't come to your zone, don't do anything. All right. $64,034. If you want, we would have taken from here as well, but because of small pending orders that was left in the zone, right, we need to confirm whether that is breaking out on upper side or not. Then only we can do it. Otherwise, reaching over here, it has a good chances again trying to come down till this levels, right? So because of that one, right, above this levels, if it breaks out, we'll try to go for one. For STP is going to be this one, right? Then we'll accordingly plan it on upper side. Not yet, it have not came to our zone yet. We are waiting for that one. not reached to our zone yet. All right, we're waiting above this levels only. We'll plan it. Prop from good or not? prop from अच्छा भी होता है guys. Alright, prop from बुरा भी होता है. So कौन से वाला prop from? Which one? Which prop from? Right. Okay. Some are good prop from as well, but you should be very careful for the prop from. Prop forms are really, you will go into deep into the emotions, whereby you might like to think only about the how to win, you will start thinking only how to get qualified, pass from that prop form. All right, you need a pass from that one. Okay, so because of that one, you try to go so much deep over there, and you happens to control yourself so much, or sometimes you will be too much in profit making. All right, okay, because of that one, you are going to breach so many rules. All right, okay, so I have done so many things, right? Perform, I have been showing you all. I've done so many platforms, guys. Some certificates are lying on my rooms, right, guys? Okay, so but until and unless you are not trading with your own money, though it's very small, why don't you try to do only with your money, right? Okay, that would be nice, I guess, right? Okay, though that is very small money, right? But if you try to do with your own money, then it might be useful, right, guys? Okay, let's see, right, guys? Came to our entry, right? Prop firms, some are good as well, and some are not really good as well, right? Okay, so you have to know it that very carefully. Oh, trying to breach us? Don't breach us, come on, you can't breach us. If this stop loss hits, all right. If it gives, because one small pending orders is downside, so because of that one we are taking risks. In fact, it have came to our zone, all right, buying zone. Okay, and right now it's playing in the buying zone for now with us. So if it moves down, giving us a coming to just came to our buying zone right now. All right, okay, so let's see, all right, whether it gives or not. Some prop firms are good, really good, but you need to have 2 or 3 if you are totally depending on the prop firm, I guess, right? Okay. For the prop firms. Hi, good to see you, Dasputar. Hi bro, welcome brother, welcome. Okay, so we have been planning some moves, right? Aggressively. Gold, I think gold, it's not giving you the move for now, right? Keep closing, right, guys? Maybe, right, today the gold is not really giving you the move, given you a small move and again to return it back. All right, keep closing and slip. 0.31% only given, guys, very small. All right, if you want to hold, your stop loss should be above this levels, guys, for the gold, right? Okay, BTC, let's try to see, right? Okay. We try to take small risks with the big rewards, right? TP1 should be these green levels, right? And TP2 should be maybe around this zone, right? And TP3 and TP4 is $64,866. All right, okay, if it gives, it's going to be really nice, right? If it doesn't gives, then we expect the stop loss and slip, guys. All right, okay, so if it doesn't gives, we are going to wait for the same level next time. If it happens to give you just breakouts given, right? If it is not giving you the move, right, within those levels, breakouts on upper side and keep pushing you on upper side, if it is not giving you that, right, guys, what we'll do is, when next time when the market moves down, right, all the way to its downside, maybe that can move up to $63,800, and when it comes up we are going to take the same entry and move on upper side. And my final target for a long holding can be $64,866, but for the small moves, right, scalping, you might like to take advantage of the reference line that you'll get in this levels, right? Okay, so hopefully it is it have given you the breakouts on upper side, and it's playing around, guys, really boringly, guys. All right, okay, really boringly it is happening. It is playing with you. All right, okay, it came out from my zone now again, which is boring, guys. Keep closing, guys, and slip, guys. That's all, I guess. Right, next time when it returns right from the down, we will wait for the same levels and buy, and my target is going to be really high. All right, okay, so right now it is playing around New York sessions. It will try to give you the up and down moves. All right, so it have came up for our levels, right? This is our level whereby we are going for the long positions, right? Okay, and if it is not able to give you right now, later on market will go down, fill up this levels, right? Maybe 63,800 or 63,772. Stop loss out, guys. All right, expect 0.1% stop loss done. All right, guys, okay, I have done my stop loss. I'm out of this positions now, right? Okay, so when it comes up, right, we are going to wait for the same level to go for the buy zone, and we are going to approach on upper side, right? Okay, so downside I'm not going to do anything, right? In fact, if it happens to come, stop loss out, guys. All right, don't aggressively. 0.1% done, guys. All right, so maybe after the New York session is completed, right, maybe you would like to get the move, right? Once it happened completed, then we'll wait for the same move on upper side above this levels, right? Breakouts, I need breakout have been already given. All right, okay, you just the small retest was also closing above the previous breakout. Right now it is trying to remove your stop loss aggressively, giving you the long positions on upper side, so you should know that one, and immediately you need to get out, right? So that can push you till this levels or 63,000 something ranges as well, right? Okay, so maybe below this levels if you wanted to take shots, right? Very small positions you will be having, maybe, right, guys? Okay, till this levels or even lower than that one, right, guys? Okay, so right now market couldn't push you. It is trying to, this is the market doing it for you all. All right, so trying to take out a stop loss now, because everyone knows that the people will plan longs over here. Market is aggressively trying to push you, so we have kept very small stop loss, 0.1% only. If it doesn't gives, we just get out. So after this SL removal for the longs is done, right, maybe, right, so it might like to take out the SL from here as well. $63,771, right? Okay, maybe after that only later on when it comes up we can go for the longs always, right? Okay, so right now we keep closing it, right, guys? Okay, so that's the thing, guys. All right, we tried our best. One setup we got it perfectly with almost full TPs done, right? Okay, but for the longs it is faked out, right? Given a positions, came to our long positions and immediately try to close you towards the downside, right? Trying to take out the stop loss and liquidity, right now. So maybe it will try to come to $63,769 or maybe even down from there, right? Okay, so next time we are waiting for same levels, right? We can wait from here next time. All right, and maybe after the New York session is done, maybe, right? Or if it gives you early, we can go for the one longs from here and trying to push you on upper side, right? Okay, so I was having fear of this one only when I was opening my long positions over here, since it have left incomplete move on a downside. Because of that one, it has less chances of going on upper side. But in fact, since this is on New York sessions, we cannot say anything, right? Okay, so aggressively I planted my longs over here, right? Okay, which got breached 0.1%, right? So overall 0.59 percentage, 0.1, 0.2 or almost 0.2 percentage loss, so recovered everything, and 0.3 percentage profit for the scalpers. So three setups done, right? Okay, so that's the thing, guys. Good is reversing hard. Gold, yes, get out, guys. All right, gold is not giving you the positions, right? Next time if it gives for the gold, wait for the same levels and try to push you on a downside, right? Okay, there is one level whereby gold needs to give you all 4,300. Okay, small stop loss. Gold couldn't get any profits today, I guess, most probably, right? Okay, gold peoples. So more it goes down, the higher it will pump next time. So for that one, gold is better to go for the pullback, right, and come up next time. If it goes directly, it may not be very high, right? It may be around $4,500, right? Maybe right around that zone. It's trying to give you the breakouts and upper side for the golds, right? Okay. BTC, we try to wait for the same levels next time, right? Okay. So don't try to aggressively plan as well for the New York sessions, right now the market has a good chance of going down and trying to take out the people, those who are planning longs over here, right? Why, guys? I have told you, people brought it over here, it have given a big moves, right? People will try to buy over here also, so market will aggressively plan to take out them, right? Okay, so it will act as if like it will give you some move on upper side, and it will try to take you out, everyone. Then later on, when everyone is got out from this market, right, then it will give you the positions on upper side, right? So we are going to wait for the same levels on the downside. We are not going to touch up anything, right? Once the market happens to reach, I'm going to open my positions and move on upper side. I'll try to trace only 1.3 percent, 3 percentage on upper side. In fact, with my VIP people, I have been holding my long from here, right? Okay, so around $63,500, right? So today it gave them the huge move on upper side. Last night we are planning it, right? We planned last night, so almost 2 percentage move it have given them, right? That's nice, right, guys? Okay, so maybe this levels is this levels can be completed, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. All right. So let it go down all the way. So I don't want to short it from here, since the market has a good chances of giving you the good reversal on upper side from those levels. It is going to be a little bit noisy over here. It will try to go down, and again try to a little bit noisy it will be, all right? So don't try to aim for these levels, right? Okay, first levels, when it goes down, one scalp will be done, right? But if you are taking a small scalp, that's fine, right? But I don't expect any major moves over here, right? Rather it will be trying to play around in these levels, right, a bit, trying to take out, give the fear for the longs, right? So most probably price will be moving a little bit down, all right, just because that market people will be planning buying over here like we did it over here, right? So market tried to give a long positions over here, so people started buying over here, right? So it is trying to take out all the peoples, right? Okay, so people will buy over here also, give the small hope, and again try to take out the peoples, right? Okay, so all the peoples will be taken out. So later on, when the market happens to run off on upper side, we will wait for these levels and go on upper side and trying to trace on a bigger. So it will take some time, all right, guys? Okay, so it's going to take some time for you all. All right, so that time maybe around, it's going to take some time. Wednesday TV around 22, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, almost 5 to 6 hours left, I guess, right? Okay, so you'll get positions only after finishing this move, right? I guess, most probably, right, guys? Okay, so it is going to get boring over here, so know the market situations and plan accordingly, right, guys? Whatever you are doing it, right? Okay, where either that is long or shorts. If you want to take shots, I think you will get a small move from here towards downside, one move, right? After that, try to stay away from the market for a while, guys. Okay, don't try to plan your positions inside this one. So it is going to be a little bit noisy. You will try to get a long positions as well as short positions in this levels, right? So market will try to do something like this again, come back, and all those things will happen over here. And later on, when it goes clean, then only we will trace this levels on upper side for the Bitcoin, right? Okay, if it never comes back, it's okay, fine. But if it comes back, we wait for these levels and try to move on upper side, right guys? Okay, so this is what we can do. It's simple thing, right? Okay, so gold, so gold is doing nothing, guys. All right, it's taken out the stop loss, small stop loss over here. All right, okay, so gold has a two chances. What chances? Gold has a pending order over here. Gold has a retest levels over here. All right, okay, so trying to break out, and retest level stands very high for the gold. Okay, so maybe at least this one, right? So if you are trying to plan for the shots, you can wait for the same levels, but most probably, I guess, I don't know, from here it is going to fill up the pending order first or the retest first. If it fills up the pending order first, then you can plan for the long positions from here and try to target for the big longs and upper side, right? Okay, so this can be one opportunity for you all, but you should make sure that you analyze something over here, right? You can't blindly you cannot plan your longs or shorts from here. I mean, like longs from here. You need to look into few factors over there, right? Okay, so something like gold, BTC as well, right? So when it comes back, we just need to one breakouts and small breakouts on upper side. So it's still moving in a downside, right? See, one scalp on a downside, trying to take out the people who have longs, right? Okay, so it is going to play around in the zone, so I'm not going to trade in this levels for 1 to 2 hours, right? After that, when the market happens to get out from this zone, then only I'm going to trade. That is also, I will be waiting for the longs above this levels and planning an upper side. If it never comes an upper side, I'm going to do nothing over there, guys. All right, so know the situations and plan accordingly. All right, guys. Okay, gold, maybe this one, and go on upper side as well, right? Okay, and gold has a good reversal from this levels as well. All right, so you need to check it out. Market is reversing from here or here. This was one reversal level, it reversed it. This is second reversal level, this is third reversal level. So which levels it is reversing you for the retest and upper side? The lower the it goes, the higher the gold will pump next time. All right, for the retest from the top, right? Okay, slowly you won't feel it, but next time, next day, you will see that market is doing that one, right? Okay, so slowly maybe go down and go up, right? It is going to do something like that, right? So you should know that one, guys. All right, okay, so you should know that one for the gold as well as BTC, right? Plan it carefully, right, guys? Okay, so this is a noisy area whereby the market is trying to aggressively liquidate the people who have longs. If have given you the longs over here, try to take out everyone people over here, right? Okay, so once we know that market was trying to do something else, I was having some doubts when we planned for the longs over here, right, already, because there was a pending orders left on the downside where the market didn't do that one. So I told you this can be a risky one, right? Okay, so risky. So inside this one, it's going to play around a little bit, guys. All right, it will try to span around 1 to 2 hours inside this one, I guess. And again, trying to further liquidate, move the stop loss, take out the stop loss. So people have planned their longs over there, right? Loss of longs, right? So market will aggressively try to take out the stop loss of them. In case if it returns, you can wait for these levels. Otherwise, it's okay, right? That if you are holding, that was aggressive move on the downside, but right, guys, we close it over here. So in this levels, I guess, right? So that's fine, right? So it gave us 0.85%. Yesterday it was almost big move, so we traced all the way from this levels. Where is it, guys? Yesterday's move, yeah, this levels, right? We moved day before yesterday, we traced this one. Yesterday we traced this one, and today we are tracing this one. All right, okay, so that's nice anyways, right? Okay, downside, don't try to long, guys. Okay, it will, how far it will go, I don't know. All right, it will try to play around and it's going to span some time, but for the long ones, we can wait above this levels, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. Have a good time, take care, right? So one more time for BTC, we try to take 3 trades in a day, right, for today, but 2 got a small stop loss out. 1 gave you almost 0.6%, right? So 0.1%, 0.2, almost 0.3 to 0.4%, you got a profit and excess, right, net. All right, okay, So don't try to plan here only, right? It has a chance of going down as well as going on upper side. But and one thing is it's going to be a little bit boring because it's going to spend some time over here, guys. All right, trying to plan long, short plan, all those things is going to be noisy. All right, okay. If you try to plan scalps over here, right, very small, right, okay, very small, okay. So if it does the something like I have planned, right, okay. Otherwise, maybe that is the chances that all the way it can go to the downside as well, right? But most probably I'm expecting this way. This is what I'm saying. This is not a financial advice though, guys. Make your own research before you move in, right? Okay, so you can plan accordingly, guys. All right, so that's all for today, guys. We'll try to come tomorrow and try to see. All right, so today we could take only few setups, that's fine, right? But at least we made some dollars, that's fine. All right, okay. For the gold, accordingly you can plan it, right? Okay, gold has a good chances of dropping down. I say there is a $4,324 is a pending orders, but the market is not giving you the move right now. This is what is happening. All right, gold is not giving you the proper moves on the downside, right? Okay, so it's still stuck over there, not almost for hours, right? It have been inside this one, planning inside this, or what it is doing, I don't know, right? Okay, so if it comes, you might like to take, right? Otherwise it has the chances of going up to $4,486 as well. So just try to be careful. All right, okay, so that's all, guys. So if we'll try to come back tomorrow and try to take few trades. Okay, so have a good time, take care, love you all. Signing off, Dragon, all the way from Bhutan.